Hey fANNNE-atics, it's Sasha and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here then welcome. Make sure you subscribe and click the bell so you are notified whenever I upload a new video. For today, I'm going to be recreating Kendall Jenner's makeup look from the 2024 Met Gala, so if you want to know how I got this makeup look, then keep on watching. And all the products, well most of the products, are L'Oreal, and Mary Phillips did Kendall Jenner's makeup and I'm recreating it today. So I'm first using the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer pencil, and this is the first time I'm using this pencil in light brunette, and that's the shade that, well actually it's not the shade that her makeup artist used, but it's the shade I'm using today because my Uber Eats guy messed up the shade. So we're doing this shade today. I'm going to be starting out with just combing out my brows, filling it in, shaping it, you know the drill. Broke off. So the Uber Eats guy messed up my shade, or maybe they just ran out of medium brown or dark brunette, whatever the shade was. So I'm going to fix it, and I'm going to go in with the Makeup by Mario palette. I know it's not L'Oreal, but they ran out of a lot of stuff at CVS, so I'm just going to use a shade in this palette, a dark brown with a teeny little brush, and I'm going to go in and fix the color. So much better, thank God. Feel better now. Done with brows. Next, we're going in with this serum that I have never used before, and I actually never used a serum before. So this is the Revitalift serum by L'Oreal. It's the pure hyaluronic acid serum, 1.5%. Let's try this out. And this goes on before any of the makeup. It's like a science experiment. I love it. It was satisfying. Dries fast. Okay, that's enough of that. Next, I am going in with the hyaluronic acid, and it has caffeine in it, and this goes under my eye. Oh, feels so good. Now let's go in with the L'Oreal 24-hour Pore Minimizer, and this is the first time that I'm using this primer. I'm very excited. I got it from CVS. It was only $18, so I'm very excited to use it today. And the product is pink. I'm so excited. And it smells strong. And now, I don't know the order that Mary did Kendall's makeup, but the order that I'm doing my makeup in, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Full Coverage Concealer. This is the Infallible 24 Hours Full Wear Concealer, and this is in the shade Vanilla. And I'm putting this on my eyes as a primer for the eyeshadow. Now let's go in and prime. Oh, it's a big brush. Now I am going in with the Makeup by Mario palette. It's not L'Oreal, Makeup by Mario, because CVS didn't have the palette that I wanted, but this will do. It's all mattes. And I'm not going in with a setting powder to set what I did on my eyes, but instead I'm going to use a shade in this palette to set it. So I think I'm going to use this shade to set. So now I am taking this shade and I'm going to put it in my crease. Now I'm moving on to a darker shade just to add a little bit more shadow to the inner corner of my eyes and for the inner corner of the crease actually. Now I'm going to be using some of this tan shade on my lids. I'm now going on to foundation before I do my liner and my mascara and the lower lash line. So I'm going to take these two foundations in two different shades and just going to mix it together. This shade is in Linen 425. This one is in 455 Natural Buff. Okay, I think I'm done with foundation. So I took those two shades that I'm not in, but Kendall is, and we're recreating her makeup look. So I took those two shades, mixed it together, and then tried to make it look normal and like it is my color on my face. I took my beauty blender, which is new, thank God, and I just blended it in all over my face into those tight corners between my brows and down my neck, so my neck and my face matches. And I'm going to do the same thing with the concealer. Okay, so we have 3 concealers here, all the same brand, not the same shade. So I'm gonna take Vanilla and Cashmere, put these under my eyes, combine them so the shade looks right, and then I'm going to put, I guess, Biscuit as a contour shade. I'm actually going to also put these two shades, the two lighter ones, on my T-zone. So on my forehead, bridge of my nose, my chin, under my eyes, and I'm going to use a darker concealer as a cream contour before we do the actual powder contour to set that. I totally forgot to use the Line Plumping Water Cream, which goes on before the foundation. I don't know why this beautiful packaging, I totally forgot about it, but next time I will use this, and yeah. Oh, I'm so sorry. The Uber Eats guy also forgot my powder, my setting powder. So I'll be right back, and I'm going to get my MAC setting powder and just set everything I did, and then I'm going to go back in with the eyeshadow and just go in with the lower lash line, the liner, the mascara, and then we'll go back to the face. So I'm back with my MAC powder, and I'm just going to set everything I did so that all stays in place. We don't want anything to move. Back in with the Makeup by Mario palette, and I am taking this tan shade and I'm putting it on my lower lash line. So now I'm taking the Infallible Matte Ultra Black liner. I think this is a pencil. Yes, it is. I don't like working with pencils, especially for a wings liner, because it's just more of a struggle, and liquid liners are so much more easy to use, easy to glide on my eyes, but we're gonna try this for the wings liner, and I'm excited to use this actually for the waterline. So I usually go past the crease, the line of my crease, I guess, and I'm not gonna do that this time. I'm going to do a very small wing. Rest your pinky on your cheek so you have more of a grip. I just don't like pencils because it gets stuck on your skin, whereas a liquid just glides, so. So I took just like the edge, the pointy part of the Beauty Blender, and just went in an upwards motion from the liner, from where it was towards like my eye, and then up like that. So the edge is a little bit more precise on both sides. It's a little bit more even, I think. So now I'm just going to set it with my brush, my powder brush, so that residue doesn't move. But I do want to go back in with this liner and fix it a little bit more. All right, so I fixed the wing. That was a struggle, and what I did was I just fixed it up with this beauty blender. As I said before, what I did, that pencil was just not cooperating with me. But as you could see in the reference photo, I want that precise wing, perfect, exactly how it looks. Now we're going to move on back onto the face for the contouring, blush, and highlight. I'm excited for this. So now I am taking the concealer again, but this is the dark concealer in Biscuit, and I'm going to use this as contour. You could use any kind of concealer for contouring, but we're obviously using L'Oreal products today. Okay, so let's go in with the dark concealer. And I'm going to put this on my forehead. I'm just putting it wherever you see where the natural shadow hits her face. So I never do this, but I also put the contour on my chin because, again, we're just doing it based on where the natural shadow hits her face. Now I'm going to use my beauty blender to blend it all in. Okay, I see it. And you also want to bring the contour a little bit more up so that you could get a natural lift. Upward motions. And now I'm excited for this part. This is the bronzer that I'm going to use to set the cream. Yes, I will be blending, I know. So we're done with the bronzer. And now I'm going to go back in with the brows, actually. So now I'm going in with this pretty blush, and it is in Confident Pink, I think. So Kendall has a lot of blush on for this look, which I love. So I'm just going to put this, a lot of it, on my cheeks. And just make upwards motions, because we want to bring everything up. I know it looks like a lot, but it will fade. Now for mascara, I'm gonna curl my lashes. And now, oh my god, I'm so excited for this mascara. The first time trying this. Panorama Voluminous Waterproof. Oh, it's beautiful packaging. It's gold. I love it. I love a new mascara. That was so satisfying. I start near the root of the lash and then I just blink on it. Okay, I really like it. Okay, this is my new favorite mascara. Wow. Do you see that difference? We spent hours doing this. Oh my god, I love this mascara. Okay, last, or second to last, we are going in with this L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glotion. I'm actually going to put this on my finger, not a brush. But you could put it on the brush, it's optional. I just want to put it on the warmth of my finger, easier to blend. Put it on my cheekbone, just dab it, and lightly blend it in so you don't mess up the powder underneath. Yeah, a pink glow. Oh, that is pretty. I think I do want a little bit more on my cheekbones. I love this. This is a really good highlighter. I think I'll also put some on my forehead, a little bit, on the T-zone part, just a little bit more of a glow, a little on my chin. And last, we are on to these two lip products. I'm very excited to use both of them. And I'm going to just use this one as like a lip liner and then kind of like blend it in with this one for the actual lip gloss. Oh wait, it's a liquid lipstick. Cool. 120 Major Crush. And this one is in Proposal. So the applicator actually makes it really easy to apply, as if it's like a lip liner. And I do want to overline my lips a little bit. I start at the Cupid's bow and then I just trace the line, but a smidge over. I like how it has like a really pointy tip, so it's easy. And now for the actual liquid lipstick. I'm excited to see this. Oh wow. It doesn't feel like a liquid lipstick. It feels more of like a velvet kind of. It does not feel drying whatsoever. It's like, just feels comfortable. I like that. It's cool. Well, that is it for the makeup look. It all feels really comfortable and I really liked all these products. I'm gonna definitely use all of these. Well, most of these. I don't know about the serum. It was really drying. Everything feels good. I love the highlighter. And that mascara. Oh my god. I love this mascara. It's my new favorite mascara. I'm gonna use it now all the time. And that is it.